What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have a rim. Now, this rim is VZN100793. It's right here if you want to search it up on the Vicrez website or order some. Now the size of these is 20 by 11. The offset is 71.6. The bolt pattern is 5 by 115. And then the camber is 2.5 degrees. Now let's go ahead and open this up. And these are in our matte black as well, if you see down here. Now, just like a lot of our other rims, they're pretty much all packaged the same. We'll have this cardboard insert to protect the face and edges of the rim. Then it'll also come with a plastic cover to protect the entire rim from any dust or debris. Then we'll also have a plastic liner for the edge to protect it, and a felt cover, which is reusable. And you guys could go ahead and throw these on your stock rims if they're the same size. And this rim is one of our 5-spoke rims. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's in our gloss black, as you can see here. It also has the Vicrez center cap, which we have in 3 different colors. If you want to swap this out for a different color, just let us know in checkout whenever you're ordering them. We actually have an install video up for these right now on our YouTube channel at vicrez.com. If you want to go check out the install video, and if you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at vicrez.com. Make sure to like and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever we upload more videos just like this. Peace.